You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation, the name of this drama series 2025. You can watch it on Netflix. If you want to learn more names from Netflix, stay tuned. Pronounced in English as House of Guinness. Yes, you probably heard of the beer Guinness. Well, that's how you pronounce it. British-Irish historical drama television series, The House of Guinness, Guinness family. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.